Are you vulnerable? Are you ashamed of your vulnerability? You can use your vulnerability for your personal growth and professional growth. You need to embrace your vulnerability. You need to use your vulnerability for connections, not to go into solitude, but embracing it for your growth and positive transformation. I can help you do this. This is a better way. 09. My name is Josephine. I'm a transformational coach. Call me on 404-590-8414 or send me an email at learnwithjoes@gmail.com. Or better still, check my website, learnwithjoes.com, for my services. You will never regret it. Embrace your vulnerability for positive growth and transformation. Love yourself correctly. Have a pleasant day.